Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching the composition to your footage so the numbers represent real frames. Set frame rate and duration first. Then create a new solid size to comp and apply effect timecode, or add a text layer if you need custom formatting. Once done, choose source, composition, or footage. Select display style and drop frame if required. Make sure the time base aligns with delivery specs, because an incorrect frame rate will produce wrong time values later. Once the generator is visible, style it so it remains readable over busy pictures. Change font size, color, opacity, and add a semi-opaque box if necessary. If you need a custom start time or to match camera-recorded timecode, add an expression on the timecode layer to offset time or sample footage metadata. For moving shots, parent the timecode to a tracking null or use a track matte so the numbers follow the scene. Make sure it stays legible at delivery resolution. To finalize, render using output module settings that preserve the frame rate and burn-in appearance. Choose a codecs or image sequence that your client expects. Once exported, inspect several frames to confirm the displayed numbers match real time and frame counts. If numbers are off, reopen the comp and verify frame rate, drop frame toggle, and any expression offsets. Fix the offset or relink footage. If nothing fixes it, rebuild the timecode layer from a fresh text layer and reapply your expression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.